Want to get your business listed on Google Maps? Whether you run a local shop or an online service, being on Google can help customers find you faster. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to add your business to Google Maps using Google Business Profile. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Google Business Profile. Click on the official link and select Get Listed on Google. This will take you to the Google Business Profile setup page, where you can start adding your business. Google Business Profile is a free tool that allows businesses to appear on Google Search and Google Maps, making it easier for customers to find and connect with you. It helps showcase your services, contact details, reviews, and more, boosting your online presence. To begin, click Get Started and enter your business name exactly as you want customers to find it on Google Search and Maps. Make sure it's accurate and consistent with your branding. For this tutorial, I'll use Web and Rank Solutions as an example. Be sure to enter your business name exactly as it appears on your website and other platforms to maintain consistency and improve visibility. Once you've completed this step, click Continue. Next, you'll need to select the most relevant business type. You'll see three options: online retail, local store, and service business. Since Web and Rank Solutions offers professional services, I'll choose Service Business. Select the option that best describes your business. Next, select the most relevant category for your business. Choose a category that accurately represents your services to help customers find you more easily. Next, specify where you serve your customers. This step is optional, but adding your service areas can help potential customers find you more easily. If you have a physical location, you can pin it on the map. For businesses serving multiple locations, you can add multiple service areas to expand your reach. Next, enter your business phone number and website URL to make it easy for customers to contact you. Providing accurate details ensures your business appears professional and accessible. If you'd like to receive the latest updates, tips, and insights about your business profile, or get exclusive invitations to participate in surveys, simply check the boxes for the options you're interested in. To get your business listed on Google Maps, verification is required. Google typically sends a postcard with a unique verification code to your provided mailing address. Simply enter your business address as requested. At this step, Google allows you to add the services you offer. However, if you're unsure or want to refine them later, you can skip this for now and update it anytime from your Google Business Profile dashboard. Now, let's set up your business hours to ensure that customers know exactly when you're available. Providing accurate and up-to-date operating hours is essential, as it helps potential clients plan their visits, schedule appointments, or contact you at the right time. Keeping this information updated not only improves customer convenience, but also builds trust and credibility for your business. If your hours change during holidays or special events, make sure to adjust them accordingly to avoid any confusion. Now, let's make your business stand out. A well-crafted business description can enhance your visibility and attract more customers. Start by writing a clear, engaging, and keyword-rich description that highlights what makes your business unique. Mention your core services, expertise, and unique selling points to differentiate yourself from competitors. Now, it's time to showcase your business with high-quality photos that grab attention and build trust with potential customers. Camera with flash sparkles. Upload professional and engaging images that highlight your business, services, and team. Once your business is successfully listed on Google, you have the opportunity to boost your visibility and attract more customers using Google's advertising tools. As a new business profile, you may be eligible for free Google Ads credits, which allow you to run targeted ads and drive traffic without any upfront investment. While we'll skip this step for now, it's highly recommended to get a custom domain name, a professional website, and a custom email address to enhance your brand's credibility. While we'll skip this for now, I highly recommend setting it up later. Click Continue to publish your profile. Once submitted, Google will process your information, which may take a few minutes. During this time, your business details are being reviewed and verified to ensure accuracy. Congratulations! Party Popper, your business is now live on Google and visible to potential customers searching for your services. But don't stop here. Now is the time to optimize and enhance your profile to maximize your visibility and attract more clients. Make sure to complete your profile by adding business hours, services, and contact details. You can edit anytime, updating your name, category, location, or services as needed. Keep customers informed by posting updates, such as offers, promotions, and company news. Lastly, actively manage and respond to reviews to build trust and improve your ranking. Regular updates keep your business competitive and help you reach more customers. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business tips. See you in the next video.